well, actually the Melbourne Cup's coming up, so we're going to do a little beautiful flower vaccinator. It's really simple and easy to do. What you need is just one of these hair combs. You can get them anywhere. Then I've got some beautiful little bits of hydrangea, some pussy tails, a little paper daisy and some white fern. So it's easy to do. You need a white comb, your bits of flowers and a hot glue gun. To start with, I'm just going to face that towards me. I'm just having the beautiful white little ferns going to come off the sides. So I'm just going to need 2 pieces of that, 1 and 2. God made that very identical. It's almost like a butterfly on each side. They're so perfect. And then I'm just getting my hot glue gun. Of course, you can use your cold glue if you're wanting to. There for my little mat because it always over drips. Fastening that to beautifully done. And then I'll go to the other side with the other one. Pluck off the bits that you don't love. Glue them down the side again. Lay it straight on there. And so you want to use your scissors to poke it down so you don't burn your fingers. Then I'm going to use a beautiful bit of this hydrangea to pop it through the middle. Once again, just clip off the bits that you want. We're going to get the glue gun again. A bit more glue on this one. And then pop it down. Using your scissor just to hold it into place. Takes a few moments for that glue to set. And we'll move on to the next bit. Trim off the bottoms. I'm going to put another little bit here over this side. Glue down there. With my trusty scissors to hold into place. This hydrangea is superb. It's coming into shape there, really beautiful. I'm just going to turn it around and see where I'd like to pop a few of these beautiful little pussy tails. So I think I'm going to use 3 of those. I'm going to try and grab them in 3 different sizes so they're not all uniform, and probably just stagger them a little bit so it's like a little feather in your crown. Get them off. See where I'm going to place them. Make sure your little hydrangeas are out of the way. I'm going to grab the glue gun again. Very simply hot glue gun them into place. I've got a little beautiful little pink paper daisy there. The glue is actually still hot. Into place while it's nice and hot still. Give it a minute. Now, I'm just going to have a look to make sure it's all symmetrical. And if I can add anything, I think I'm going to actually add a few more pussy tails because it looks good, but it does look a little bit like it just needs a little bit something else. I'm going to put a little bit more fern on the back, and then I'm going to put 2 more pussy tails in, and I think we're about done. So I'm just going to cut that fern a little bit lower, take off the stems. I'm going to use it as a backboard there. That's actually looking really nice. Trim the stem down now I know the length that I need. Glue gun to the back. Just press it down on there like that. Give it a minute. Talk amongst yourselves. What are you going to drink at the races, guys? A little bit of rosé, a little bit of chardonnay, a little bit of sparkling and bubbles. That's going to be so cute. Alright, nearly done. I'm going to turn it over. I'm just going to see whether I still want a few more pussy tails. Oh, I think it's actually okay. Once I've got that in there, it feels much better. So, it's almost dry. How quick was that? How fabulous and cute is this? So I'm just going to pop that in my hair. So you watch my soul glow happen. I'll let my hair out. I need a fan, guys. I really need a fan. hope you enjoyed that. I had fun doing that. That's the quickest thing I've done all day. Thanks guys, hope you have a brilliant afternoon.